Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a background in Canva. Backgrounds help make our designs more visually appealing and set the overall style of our project. We will walk you through how to add and customize a background quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, let's open our Canva editing dashboard. To add a background, we simply need to choose the photo we want to use. For example, let's pick a free background image from the options available. If we want to use this green one as our background, we just need to drag and drop it onto the canvas. Once it's placed, we right-click or click on the three dots, and then select Set as Background. As we can see, it automatically fits perfectly as a background in our Canva design. Now we can decide where to place our logo or other images, based on what works best for us. We have successfully added a background to our Canva design. Now our project looks more complete and visually attractive.